Hey, what's up, guys? Anthony from Layers, and today let's go ahead and remove some eye bags in Photoshop. Firstly, open up Photoshop, of course, and pull up some layers. Okay, so we have Alden for our model today. Now, Alden has eye bags that we want to remove. Now, the first thing that we think of is let's just go on over here and let's grab our remove tool. And let's just go ahead and just remove this. But let me show you the problem with that. Make this brush a little smaller, hit one of the left bracket, open bracket there. So if we remove this right here, you see, now we did remove it, but we also removed the texture. We don't want to tear up the texture. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to separate the frequencies and then go in and use the remove tool underneath our texture layer. So what I'm going to do is hit Control Z on the keyboard and undo everything. Okay. All right, now we'll have to make two more layers here. So we'll click on Alden, hit Control J on the keyboard once and twice. Now, we'll name this Alden Color and Alden Texture. Take off Alden Texture. Let's go to our color layer here. And let's head on up to Filter. Go down to Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Let's see. I think 12.5 looks good. Hit OK. Now let's head up to our texture layer. Head on over to Image, Apply Image. Now if you want to get more familiar with the nuances of these tools or things to do, head on over. I have a video for you down in the box. So layer, we want Alden Color. RGB, that's fine. Blending mode is subtract. Everything else looks good. And hit OK. Now let's change our blending mode from normal to linear light. Double check our work by hitting Alt and clicking on our first layer. And by doing that, we can determine whether or not we have the same image, and we do. These two combined makes this one here. Now let's go ahead and grab our color layer. Let's turn off our texture. Turn off sample all layers. Well, let's just go ahead and see what we can do here. Let's turn the top one back on. See how much of a difference that makes? That's a huge difference. That's huge. Let's say before, after. That's a huge difference there. Okay. Now any other edits we wanted to make, we can just go in here and do our little dabs. You know, it's great to use the remove tool underneath that texture layer because it offers so much flexibility. I mean, you can get rid of uneven colors, discoloration, etc. Now, of course, when your model is making a face or doing some type of gesture, you want to make sure you don't tackle these lines here because that's part of her face, or for instance, how she has her wrinkled forehead. You don't want to tackle those lines because that's actually part of the gesture there. So. And as you can see, I'm just breezing through. Let's see. So we're not interested in cleaning her up completely. I was just showing you the power of the remove tool and frequency separation. It makes work a lot easier as well. Now, of course, we could go in and we can use the patch tool and all the other selection tools. We could remove stuff, put stuff here, but it'd be a lot easier if we pull those frequencies apart, do what we need to do, and then put them back together. It's looking fabulous if you ask me. That's great. That's not bad at all. So Blemishes is a thing of the past, right? Yeah, we don't need no more blemishes, especially if we can help it. You know what's interesting to me? You know how I know how, you know how you just go to a store and you plan on getting one or two things and you come out the store with everything in the store. Yeah, it's one of them things. We came here for eye bag removal and ended up removing several blemishes. It's interesting how that works. Okay, I got one more to get, guys. All right. All right. So there you have it. Solid way to remove eye bags from your photos or images in Photoshop. Everything you need to know is down in the box, and like always, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.